Question 16. A man borrows $540,000 and paid back $630,000 at the end of 12 months. So what annual rate of interest was charged? You can see this is a simple interest calculation. If you borrow 540 and you pay it back after the 2 years, it means the rate of transaction has ended. So whatever you are paying back is no more the principal, but the principal plus interest. So that becomes the amount. So we can pick data from the question as we have been given what I borrow is principal, 540,000. Then what I pay back is the amount, which is 630,000. So the question is, what interest did I pay on the 540, which is going to be amount minus what? Principal. So your interest become 630,000 minus 540,000, and I'm sure if you subtract that, would that be 90,000? 60 here, that would be 600, right? Then we are left with 30, so we have 90,000, I guess. We have $90,000. So that is the interest. So now we are looking for the rate of interest. Remember, in calculating the rate, your rate of interest will just be the interest accrues times 100 divided by principal times what? The time. So I am having 90,000 times 100 divided by the principal, which is 540 times the time, which is 12 months, and the time is calculated in years. So that is what? 1 year. With all this 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is gone. So I am left with, this is also 100, not 1,000. So I have 9 here, 1, 9 here, 6. So I should be having 100 on what? 6, which is 50 divided by 3, and 50, 3 goes there, 1, 8 is to 16, so our answer will be somewhere 16.67, let's see. So if you do that clearly, your result is going to be 16.67%. So the option D becomes the preferred word solution. I guess clear? Like, share, comment, and come back for question 17.